Good morning. Today we are in Guilmi, a beautiful village in Abruzzo region. And the house we wish to propose you today is this lovely stone house in perfect condition. It avails of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, large cellar and new wooden roof. The house is completely made of stone and it was restored in 2005. The house stands on 3 floors and measures approximately 120 square meters. The main entrance is located on the ground floor. It opens into a small landing where we find a beautiful, cozy kitchen with the original fireplace and exposed stones. We also find this small toilet. On the same floor, we also find a large cellar. The cellar is internally connected to the house and it avails of its own entrance. This internal staircase takes us to the first floor. Where we find a beautiful character kitchen dining room with a thermal fireplace and built-in furniture. Also in this room we can enjoy exposed stones. This room avails of a panoramic balcony overlooking the little piazza of the village. On the other side, we find a single bedroom with the same balcony overlooking the little piazza. And a new bathroom. Original flooring. the second floor, there is a large and the bride bedroom with a beautiful 4-height ceiling with an exposed wooden roof. Original stones. And original flooring. This master bedroom avails of ensuite bathroom with shower facilities and a laundry corner. There's also a small balcony with view. Completes the floor another bedroom that joins the same bathroom of the master bedroom. It faces the little square. This house was completely restored and it avails of new double-glazed windows, new wooden roof. Water and electricity are connected and the house is in perfect condition, ready to move into. If you are interested in this property, you can contact us by email at info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.